Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this ZTE Blade A31 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can block all spam and robocalls on this device. So first of all, open up the phone dialer app. Here at the top right corner, go for this three dots, expand it, choose settings. At the settings, go for the caller ID and spam category. And all that it's left to do is to turn on the switch that is responsible for filtering spam calls. And from now on, all the spam and robocalls will be successfully filtered. Alright, so that was it for this video, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye!